Hello and welcome to today's talk on internet safety and global collaboration projects. Hope everybody's had a great Thanksgiving. I want to run you through a few sites that I found that might help you with these two things. Okay, first up is internet safety. The first site was Internet Safety 101. This is a site that was kind of geared toward parents, but a lot of the stuff could be used for teachers or by teachers to try and keep kids safe on the internet. You see the links here. I'm not going to click on every single one of them, but you got safe search engines, kid-friendly search engines, social networking for teens, and some different things like that. One of the things that I liked was the acronyms that parents should know, and it wouldn't hurt for teachers to have an understanding also of what kids are talking about with their acronyms. And you see some of the things here. 8 equals well, you can see that, and just a whole long list of them. So I'm not going to run through every single one of them, but just a good resource here. Okay. The other part of Internet Safety 101 that I liked was it had age-based. So depending upon what age you teach, 2 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13, 14 to 18, you can click on that group and get some specific guidelines. Okay. Next up was CyberSafe, and this had a couple modules. The two that I looked at were digital footprint and online crime. You could click on either one of them and run through the module and get some resources. This might be something you could also go through with your kids, your students. You see it's got a couple of videos, and then over here it has some resources that you can use, help phone line, and just a whole long list of things that you can go through and find something possibly to help out your kids and keep them safe. Last up was for students, On Guard Online. This is a resource created by the federal government, the Federal Trade Commission, and I wanted to scroll down here for kids, and it has some games that they could possibly play, which might make it a little more interesting for them. But you see, you got phishing scams here, and it takes a list of scenarios that could possibly be phishing things. Which sometimes students see an email or a text and they think, "Hey, that's that seems legit," and they start clicking. So I'm not going to play through the whole thing, but question one, and you see the question. You receive an email from your bank informing that you suspects an unauthorized transaction on your account. To protect your account, the email advises you to click on a link to verify your identity should you do so, and you get to read through them and click them. So good thing for kids. Moving on to global collaboration project, I looked at two. I looked at the Monster Project, which is for elementary school kids. You, as a teacher, would find this and email, or however you want to connect with them, and say there's a Facebook page also, and say that you wanted to be a part of it, your classroom. Once you are part of it, you're assigned a body part, and you have to describe it in a couple of words, and then it gets sent in, and you see here all the different body parts in all the different places. There's one from Poland, from New York, classes are, and once everyone has sent in their descriptions, then as a class you take everybody's description and you create the monster out of these. So a neat little project. They also have video conferencing that they did. They sent, here's a greetings from Pakistan. So this thing takes place all over the world. So a neat little project. And then lastly was Skype in the classroom. And I found this interesting because as far as trying to plan one, it seems kind of overwhelming. But this seems to put you in contact with different projects that are already maybe either going on or have been done. You see, here's the new Skype collections. I found this interesting. I just taught the civil rights movement, and then here was one on e-safety, the thing we just talked about with the internet safety. So you connect here, and you connect with other classes. You connect with people that are working on projects, companies, and things like that, and you begin your project, whether it's creating a product, whether it's raising money to assist someone, or something like that. But a neat project that you can work on here with Skype collaboration. All right, thank you for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.